now let's move on to makeup. That I'm using the ELF Pro Gel. मेरा ये highlighter टूट गया. I'm heartbroken right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the wedding season is finally here and guess what? I just got my first wedding invitation of the season and I'm super excited. So I thought to take you guys along as I get ready for it. I start with my skincare routine because a good base is everything, and then we'll dive into my makeup routine. So let's create that dreamy glowy look that's perfect for the wedding vibe. So grab a tea or coffee, get comfy, and let's get ready together. So I have just stepped out of the shower and my skin is feeling super dry today. Winter here can be so harsh, so I need to bring back some hydration and give my skin the love it deserves. Let's jump right into my post shower skincare routine. First, I'm starting with my Tony Moly toner, which is an absolute hydrating gem. It's super lightweight, refreshing, and preps my skin perfectly for the rest of my routine. I pour a little onto my palms, pat it gently into my skin, and it instantly feels like my skin is waking up. Toners are such an essential step because they really help all the other products sink in better. Now I'm applying the Hyphen tinted lip balm because my lips are as dry as my skin right now. This step is a lifesaver for keeping my lips soft and moisturized throughout the routine. Plus, it gives my lips a subtle tint, which is a nice bonus even after makeup. Next is my snail mucin essence, which I think everyone should try at least once. It's lightweight, non-sticky, and leaves my skin feeling so plump and radiant. I take a small amount and spread it evenly and press it gently into my skin. It's like giving my face a drink of water. So hydrating and soothing. Now for my under eye area, I'm using the L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Eye Serum, which is a game changer for me. The metal applicator is so cooling and feels amazing on my skin. Next up, my favorite step, Clinique Moisture Surge 100 hours. Guys, this moisturizer is everything. It's super lightweight but hydrates like a dream. It makes my skin feel soft, smooth, and ready for the day. And finally, the last and most important step, sunscreen. I'm using the Beauty of Johnson sunscreen, and let me tell you, it's a must have for me. Even in winters, sunscreen is non negotiable because your skin still gets exposed to harmful UV rays. This sunscreen is so lightweight, non greasy, and hydrating. It feels like a moisturizer but with sun protection. It blends seamlessly into my skin without leaving any white cast, which is such a big win. Plus, it gives my skin this beautiful, healthy glow that I absolutely love. Alright, now let's move on to makeup. And I'm starting with the Smashbox Hello Healthy Glow Tinted Moisturizer. This product is such a multitasker. It's a lightweight, hydrating, and gives just the right amount of coverage to even out my skin tone while keeping it fresh and natural. It's like a moisturizer and a foundation had a perfect baby. What I love most is how easy it is to blend. Usually, I just use my fingers to melt it into my skin. It's that simple. But today, I'm feeling a bit fancy, so I'm using a brush for that seamless airbrush finish, and honestly, it's blending like a dream. Just look at this finish. It's giving my skin the most beautiful dewy radiance. And see this, I still have this much left on my hand. Trust me, you only need a tiny amount and you are good to go. It's super lightweight but provides just the right amount of coverage. You can actually use this in two ways. As a base under your foundation like a moisturizer, or you can skip the foundation altogether and use this directly as your main base, just like I am doing today. For me, it works perfectly to cover everything up without feeling heavy. After this step, I am skipping straight to concealer because honestly, this tinted moisturizer does most of the job already. Today I'm using the Swiss Beauty concealer. This one is a total gem. It's super lightweight yet gives amazing coverage. I like to apply it under my eyes, around the nose, and on any little spots or redness I want to cover up. The texture blends so effortlessly into the skin, whether you are using a brush, sponge, or even your fingers. It's perfect for brightening up the under eye area and making my skin look flawless without feeling heavy. What I love about this concealer is how buildable it is. You can go for a natural look or layer it up for more coverage. For me, one layer does the trick because my base is already glowing. Honestly, this is such a great affordable option that works beautifully with any makeup routine. Alright, moving on to setting everything in place, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, which is honestly one of my all time favorites. This powder is amazing for controlling shine and giving a smooth airbrush finish to the skin. I take a small amount of powder on my puff, tap off the excess, and press it gently under my eyes to set the concealer. If you want that extra polished look, try rolling the puff lightly over your skin after pressing the powder. It gives a soft blur effect that I am absolutely obsessed with. Now it's time to set my brows, and for that I'm using the e.l.f. Brow Gel, a quick and easy product that keeps my brows in place all day. I start by brushing the gel through my brows in upward strokes to give them that lifted and fluffy look. Now I'm moving on to filling them in using the Nykaa Brow Palette. I'm using the brown shade from the palette. It's perfect color to give my brows a natural yet defined look. Now for the eyes, I'm using the Nykaa Eye On Me 10 in 1 eyeshadow palette. This palette is such a gem. It has the perfect mix of mattes and shimmers with shade that works for both everyday look and glam occasions. The pigments are rich and blends beautifully, making it super beginner friendly. First, I'm taking the lightest shade from the palette and applying it all over my lids as a base. Next, I'm dipping into the brown shade and building it up on the outer corners of my eyes for some depth. This step really helps to define the eyes and create a soft smoky effect. For some shimmer, I am going in with the brown shimmer shade and applying it directly onto my lids. It gives such a beautiful subtle sparkle. To add a pop of color, I am taking the pinkish, slightly reddish pinkish shade from the palette and using it to create a winged liner effect. It's such a fun twist and adds a unique element to the eyes. I also apply the same shade on the lower lash line to tie the whole look together. Now I'm using kajal to line my eyes. I apply it on my upper lash line and also tight line my lower waterline for bold defined look. Now for the glam touch, I'm adding golden glitter. This glitter is from Swiss Beauty. I think I'm not 100% sure right now, but it's stunning. I dab it lightly onto the center of my lids and it instantly elevates the look. Next, I'm using my lash curler to curl my lashes. I always like to hold it a few seconds to give my lash that nice lift. It makes such a big difference, trust me. After curling, I'm applying mascara to add volume and length. Today I'm using my Maybelline Lash It Up mascara. Look at how it instantly opens up my eyes. I make sure to coat my lashes evenly from root to tips for that flirty effect. And that's it. My eye look is complete. Let me quickly repeat the same steps on my other eyes off camera and I'll be right back. Now I'm moving on to bronzer to add warmth and definition to my face. I'm lightly applying it on my cheeks, my jawline and my hairline to give my face that sun-kissed sculpted look. It really helps bring some dimension back after all the foundation and concealer. For my nose, I'm doing a quick contour to give it more definition. Applying a bit of bronzer along the sides of my nose and blending it out to keep it soft and natural. Next, I'm using the Etude House Water Tint to add a fresh, natural flush of color to my cheeks. This tint is amazing because it's so lightweight and gives a gorgeous dewy finish without feeling heavy on the skin. The beauty of this product is that it's buildable, so if you want a more vibrant pop of color, you can layer it on and blend for that perfect just pinched look. What I love about this water tint is that it gives such a natural fresh appearance, almost like a glow from within. It's perfect for a daily look or a more elevated makeup style. It's subtle but makes a huge difference in brightening up your face and adding a youthful radiant glow. और मेरा ये हाइलाइटर टूट गया। आई डोंट नो कैसे, मैंने जस्ट अभी देखा। कोई बता सकता है कि इसको वापस कैसे ठीक कर सकते हैं? Like, honestly, I'm heartbroken right now. But anyway, I'm still going to make it work because a good highlighter is a must have. Now I'm taking what left of my broken highlighter and picking it up with my brush. I'm gently applying it to the tops of my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow to give that beautiful radiant glow. Even though it's shattered, I can still see how stunning the shine is. Look at that glow. I'm also adding a little bit to my brow bone and inner corners of my eyes to brighten up the whole face. But seriously, अगर कोई solution है तो बता दो यार. Next, for my lips, I'm starting off with the K Beauty lip liner in the shade Hype. I love how creamy and smooth this liner is. It glides on effortlessly and defines my lips perfectly. I'm outlining my lips with this beautiful natural tone to create a crisp edge and a fuller look. Now I'm going in with the Swiss Beauty lipstick and I'm absolutely in love with this brown shade. It's a perfect warm tone that adds so much depth to my lips without being too bold. Look at how this combination pulls the whole look together. Now to set everything in place and lock in all the hard work, I am using the MAC Fix Plus Prep makeup spray. This is my go-to to make sure my makeup lasts all day long. After applying it, I let it dry slightly just for a few seconds. Once it's almost dry, I like to take my foundation brush and gently dab it over my face. This helps press the setting spray into the skin and ensures that my makeup stays in place without any cakiness. Alright, my entire makeup is done. Now let me show you my complete look. And here it is. I'm absolutely loving how everything turned out. It's fresh, glowing and perfect for any occasion. I hope you love how everything came together. I'm feeling confident and ready to take on the day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful tips. See you in the next video. Until then, stay fabulous.